Oh, hi, it's Jamie and Dora.
Hi.
At Play in the Park.
And the library.
Oh, thanks for that great story, Dora. That was about a little mouse and a big elephant.
It was pretty cute.
Now, what we're on to now is we've got something really fun and interesting to do. It's STEM at the library. What's STEM, Dora? Wait, let me have a guess. Is it sizzling sausages, turnips, elephants and monkeys?
No, that sounds like lots of fun, but no, Jamie. It's science, technology, engineering and maths. Also super fun.
Oh, cool. Oh, I know. Hey, we've got this really cool balancing thing here. What's this balancing thing, Dora?
It's called a scale.
We're going to use a scale. Are we going to measure some things?
Yeah, we're going to measure some weight.
Oh, we'll see what's heaviest. Cool. I'm so excited. What are we going to measure first?
Well, look at these cute little bears. Hey, but if you haven't got a fancy scale like this one at home, don't worry, because we've used one with a coat hanger and some plastic cups and wool or string. That works really well too. Okay, Jamie, maybe I can put in some big heavy bears, because we've got big bears, medium bears and little yellow bears. Maybe I'll put 2 big bears in here.
Ooh, 2 blue bears going in.
2.
Look at that, they make the scale go down and my side goes up. I'm going to put in some of my little yellow bears. I'll put in...
I wonder how many we're going to need
1.
to balance. 2 small bears.
2. Is that enough, Dora?
Nope, mine's still lower than yours.
Should I put in more little yellow bears?
Yep.
I think so. 3. 4. Is it balanced now, Dora?
Not yet, Jamie. I think you need some more small bears.
Oh, more yellow bears. 5.
That's close.
Ooh.
Just a little bit more.
6 bears. Is it balanced now?
Perfect. Well done.
Oh, look at that. It's level.
Okay, how about I take my big blue bears out? And, what do you think is going to happen to the tub with the little yellow bears inside? Will it go down or up?
Whoa!
Hey, it's gone all the way down.
They did go all the way down.
How many bears did you have in there, Jamie?
Oh, I have got 6 little yellow bears.
Okay, well...
Oh, my little yellow bears are feeling sad being all the way down there. Dora, can we get them back up again?
Sure, why not?
How can we do that?
Well, we've used 2 big blue bears to balance the scales. Maybe this time we can use our medium-sized green bears.
Yay!
Let's see how many we need. 1, 2, 3.
3. Oh.
Do you think
Is that level?
It's
Almost.
nearly level. Let's see what happens when we put a 4th bear in.
Uh-oh. 4 bears is too much. Let's take one out. I think 3 medium-sized green bears is just the right amount.
Cool.
Whoa.
Hey, Jamie.
Yeah.
What if you don't have these cute little bears at home?
Well, if we don't have these cute little bears, then we would have to find something else. What else do you think we could use, Dora?
If we didn't have these cute little bears, we could use some rocks.
Rocks? We could use dinky cars.
Oh, little cars, yeah. Duplo?
Yeah. Marbles? No?
No, marbles might be a bit small.
Oh, too small. Find good-sized things.
What about Play-Doh?
Play-Doh would be great.
I think we made some Play-Doh. Let's have a look. We've got some, here's some white Play-Doh. This is a very big block of Play-Doh. Put that one over there.
And I've got some orange Play-Doh. And
That looks smaller.
I've also got some tiny, look at these ones, tiny little green Play-Doh.
And they're the smallest. Small, medium, big. Okay.
Small, medium, big.
Let's put in the big white block and see how far down the scale goes. Ready?
Dora,
Whoa, all the way down.
I think that the big white block is a bit like the elephant in your story.
Oh yeah, that would be cool. You could make an elephant out of your Play-Doh.
Because he's made the seesaw go all the way down. Should I add orange?
No, go green.
I'll put the green ones in. One green one. Two green ones. Three green ones. Is it level?
It's not level and it's not balanced yet, Jamie. Put another one in.
4. Is it balanced?
So close. Let's see what happens when we put one more in.
5.
That's 5. Oh, I think that's very well balanced.
5.
Well done. Oh, high 5.
Yay, 5.
Awesome. Okay. Oh, we've got these orange medium-sized ones here. We haven't had a chance to play with those yet. Maybe I'll take my big white block out.
What's going to happen?
Do you think the green balls in that tub are going to go down or stay in the middle when I take this big block out? I think they might fall down because I'm taking something heavy out from this side. Ready? Wow, it fell down quite quickly, didn't it?
It did.
Okay, I wonder how many of these medium-sized orange balls it's going to take to balance the scales. How many green ones have you got in there, Jamie?
5.
5. Okay. Oh, I've got 5 here. Do you think we're going to need all of them?
You'll have to put all 5 in.
Let's see.
5 and 5.
1, 2,
2,
3. Oh,
3.
3. Look, Jamie, mine's already gone lower.
Uh-oh, 3's too many.
3's too many. Let's take one out. 2. 2 medium-sized Play-Doh
Ta-da!
balls.
Dora,
Yeah.
2 is the right amount.
Woohoo!
Oh, wait, if 2's the right amount, we can't high 5, we've got to high 2. Yay! And I think that might be the end of our measuring with scales.
Yeah, thanks for joining us.
Thank you. See you next time. That was heaps of fun.